Talia. I thought that Kalia. Kalia means like black in India. I thought that you called me
Talia.
Talia. Thank God she didn't say me Kalia. नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल। आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट मिथिलेश बैकपैकर। तो गाइस राइट नाउ मैं हूँ बेलग्रेड में। बेलग्रेड सर्बिया कैपिटल है और आज हम मिलने वाले हैं हमारे एक फ्रेंड को जो यहाँ की लोकल है, जो हमारी हेल्प करने वाली है वीडियो क्रिएशन के लिए और इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड के लिए। लाइक वो हमको बताएंगे कि मतलब अगर आप बेलग्रेड में आ रहे हो तो आपको कहाँ कहाँ जाना चाहिए और कौन सी चीज़ें अवॉइड करना चाहिए। एज ए लोकल उनको ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन रहती है, उनको ज़्यादा नॉलेज रहती है। तो आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू माई फ्रेंड। तो गाइस मुझे बहुत लोग मैसेज करते हैं और क्वेश्चन करते हैं कि आप ट्रैवल बुकिंग के लिए कौन सी एप्लीकेशन या वेबसाइट यूज कर रहे हो। तो गाइस मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ वीगो। वीगो इज लाइक ए ग्लोबल ट्रैवल ब्रांड अवेलेबल इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस एंड करेंसी और बहुत ही ईजी टू यूज है। फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक अगर आपको फ्लाइट टिकट बुक करनी है तो आपको वीगो के ऐप पे जाना है। कोई भी आप सिटी से फ्लाई कर रहे हो, लाइक आपको सेलेक्ट करना है डिपार्चर और डेस्टिनेशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर मैं बताता हूँ, मैं फ्लाई किया हूँ मिन्स्क टू बेलग्रेड, तो आपको चूज करना है डिपार्चर लाइक मिन्स्क और डेस्टिनेशन बेलग्रेड। तो ये ना 10 से 12 वेबसाइट को कंपेयर करेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक मेक माई ट्रिप, ईज माई ट्रिप, क्लियर ट्रिप और डायरेक्ट बुकिंग वेबसाइट लाइक इंडिगो, स्पाइस जेट, और आपको बता देगा कि कौन से वेबसाइट पे कितने रुपए में अवेलेबल है। जो भी चीपेस्ट मिलेगा आपको, आप वो डायरेक्टली वीगो के ऐप के थ्रू बुक कर सकते हो। और सेम तरीके से आप होटल बुकिंग भी कर सकते हो वीगो पे। लाइक आपको चूज करना है आपकी सिटी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बेलग्रेड। ये ना 10 से 12 वेबसाइट को कंपेयर करेगा लाइक एयरबीएनबी, booking.com, अगोड़ा, मेक माई ट्रिप, और आपको बता देगा कि कौन से वेबसाइट कितने रुपए में अवेलेबल है। तो जो भी चीपेस्ट रहेगा वो आप डायरेक्टली वीगो के ऐप के थ्रू बुक कर सकते हो। वीगो पे आप ना फ्लाइट और होटल बुकिंग तो कर ही सकते हो, उसके साथ में आप फन एक्टिविटीज भी बुक कर सकते हो और IRCTC ट्रेन बुकिंग भी कर सकते हो। और गाइस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वीगो इज लाइक ए वर्ल्ड फास्टेस्ट लोडिंग ट्रैवल ऐप और यूजफुल फॉर लास्ट मिनट बुकिंग एंड लो कनेक्टिविटी एरिया। और गाइस मैंने वीगो का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, यू कैन गो थ्रू इट। Hi, good evening guys. So right now I am in Belgrade. So here is my friend Tasha.
Hello everybody. Welcome to Belgrade. Amazing city. I have my friend today and we will visit the most important things in Belgrade. So you will see everything.
So first of all, thank you Tasha for taking out time from your busy schedule.
You're welcome.
And she is helping us, like she gonna provide us like lots of information. If you guys coming in like Belgrade, which places you need to visit and what are the things you need to see.
Yes, the most beautiful bars, restaurants, women, places,
Yeah.
and our church, our monuments.
That's true. And the girls here are very beautiful, I can say. Due to Corona, nightlife is not allowed. After 10 PM, you can't go like out. It's like all shops and bars and everything is closed.
Yes, after 10 PM everything is closed, but you can walking the streets. It's always full. Serbian is a very energetic people, and you will enjoy with us.
And I'm thankful, Tasha, because most of the time if I meet girls, I need to say them, you need to be a little bit energetic. But she's already there with the energy.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah. So Tasha,
Thank you for compliment.
so Tasha, where are we right now? Which place is?
Okay, now we go to visit the Temple Saint Sava. That is the biggest church on Balkan, Orthodox church.
Okay.
The biggest Orthodox church.
And what is the name of this place where we are standing?
Republic Square, and this is the monument of Prince Mihailo.
ताशा हमारी हेल्प कर रही है सिटी शो करने के लिए। और गाइस बेलग्रेड में आप आ रहे हो तो रात को आपको ना 10 बजे के बाद ना आपको मतलब ना नाइट लाइफ है नहीं, सब चीज़ें बंद है। बट तो भी लाइक अपने लिए एक अच्छा है कि यहाँ पे एज ए इंडियन आपको वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल मिलता है 30 डेज़ के लिए। तो एक अच्छा है कि मतलब ना बहुत सारी कंट्री में वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल होता है बट उनके चार्जेस होते हैं, बट यहाँ पे फ्री है तो वो अच्छी चीज़ है। So what you said about this street?
This is Knez Mihailova Street, the main street in Belgrade. It's always full. You have shops, you have boutiques, restaurants, bars, everything, and beautiful people.
That's true. And can you repeat the name again? Name of the street?
Knez Mihailova Street.
It's very hard for as an Indian to like pronounce that name. I'm going to put it here.
Yes, but you must learn little Serbian. I will learn you. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you so much. But she is going Italy tomorrow.
Yes, I must go. Tomorrow I go in Italy to visit my family there. I go in Sicilia. You been there?
No.
Beautiful Sicilia, it's beautiful. I like Italy, but I like Belgrade
More.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side, and I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want.
तो गाइस जैसे स्टेशन ने मेरे को बताया कि ये स्ट्रीट ना मतलब ना हमेशा ना पूरा ना मतलब बिल्डअप रहता है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं और बार्स वगैरह बहुत लाइवली रहता है और ये मेन स्ट्रीट है। तो गाइस अगर आप आ रहे हो तो आपको ये विजिट करना चाहिए। और यहाँ पे पेंटिंग भी, हाउ मच वाज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दैट पेंटिंग?
€5 or 600 dinars in our dinners.
ओह दैट्स गुड।
It's cheap. It's
Yeah.
not expensive. Belgrade, it's not expensive.
Yeah, that's true. Totally agree. And plus she is there, so she gonna help us to like where you should go do a cheap shopping, everything she gonna guide us.
Now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay.
What you said?
This is very famous restaurant. The name is the Boutique Restaurant, and we have Boutique 1 on the Republic Square, Boutique 2, this is in Knez Mihajlova Street, and Boutique 3, that is on the New Belgrade.
Okay. So which type of like food is like which continent? Like is Serbian food or some other?
You can.
It's like a
find-
mixed society.
Yes, mix. You can find everything.
Okay. And I'm sure that you love Italy, Italian food.
Yes, I like pasta too much.
Pasta.
Yes, pasta, but make me fat always. Now
But you're
I'm on
perfect.
diet.
You're on
Because
diet or
summertime come, I must do gym.
Yeah.
And I must do practice and no eat pasta, no nothing, just healthy life.
That's good. So you're today on diet or date? You said date. Confused.
La, 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. I just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna.
बेलग्रेड अच्छा है यार, अभी तक तो मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को अच्छा ही लग रहा है। और यूरोप के अंदर बॉर्डर पे बुदापेस्ट में गया था, वैसे ही थोड़ा थोड़ा लगता है, बट अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को। अभी इनकी कार से हम थोड़ा जाने वाले, मैंने इनको बोला कि आप कार लेके आना, थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा घूमने के लिए।
On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got.
Old Belgrade. We have Old Belgrade and New Belgrade.
What is the difference between old and new Belgrade?
New Belgrade, it's everything new. Shopping center, new buildings, everything new routes, everything. And here you see.
Yeah.
Can you see how
Yeah.
it's look? It's
like
old,
old.
building, yes, but there is very expensive to buy apartment because
Which one, old or new?
both. But
Both?
I think
Old is more
old
expensive.
is more normal.
Because old
Because this is the heart of Belgrade.
is gold.
Yeah.
Flowers.
Yes, I like flowers. I like rose too much.
That you smoke shisha there and having drink.
Yes, I like shisha and I like sometimes drink.
That's
Not
good.
usually. Because I must be healthy. It's not
That's
good.
yeah. Drinking every day is not good.
This. Are you married?
No,
No. Why?
I'm young too.
How old are you?
What do you think?
I'm about 27. 6.
Oh, you're almost like correct. I'm like 28.
28. Okay.
And what about you?
What do you think?
22?
Thank you. But I'm 33.
Really?
Yes.
But you don't look like a 33. Believe me.
Yes, yes. I told you, no smoking, no alcohol,
Okay.
no pasta too much.
And you married?
No, I'm not married. I have a boyfriend. He's in Italy too. He live there. But I wait him for ring ring.
I hope this time you're going Italy. He will give you a ring.
I hope. Maybe you give me some lucky.
Yeah?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Lucky charm.
Maybe, yes. We say in Serbian, Talia.
Talia means what?
Talia, it means some person who
Brings luck to you.
bring you luck, yes.
Okay. Talia, I thought that Kalia. Kalia means like black in India. I thought that you
No,
called me
Talia.
Talia. Thank God she didn't say me Kalia. And in our India, Talia means like a clap. You doing a clap.
I must visit India one day. I have usually tourists from India. I like Indian people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy to hear that.
I always had good experience with people from India, really, and I have big wish to one day go and visit all India. Everybody said it's amazing, but
Yeah, it's true. It's amazing,
Yes.
believe me. When you
Yeah.
come India, you wanna explore, then you will like it more.
if I come, can you be my tour guide?
I will be your friend. I will be like not. I will be your friend to show you
And
all
show you,
places,
okay.
and I can host you. You can stay at my home with my family.
Oh, you are a very good person. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, because you are helping me to see this city and helping my audience to get the information. So of course I will help you
Yes.
too whenever you come to India.
So I was born in Belgrade. Belgrade is my city. I finished college here and everything. My company, my friends, my family. All what I have is in Belgrade. So that's
चल के गए थे अभी रिपब्लिक स्क्वायर से, और इधर ही आने के लिए ना पार्किंग से कितना टाइम लग गया पूरा गोल घूम के आने के लिए। मतलब यहाँ पे वीकेंड में बहुत ट्रैफिक रहता है, और यहाँ जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि ओल्ड बेलग्रेड और न्यू बेलग्रेड। ओल्ड बेलग्रेड थोड़ा पुराना है और न्यू बेलग्रेड ना मॉडर्न है। और ओल्ड बेलग्रेड में ना मतलब ना थोड़ी पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स टाइप है और एक्सपेंसिव वो भी है, और न्यू में कैसा मॉडर्न बिल्डिंग्स है, फिर रेस्टोरेंट्स है, शॉपिंग प्लेसेस है।
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Now we will visit the Church of Saint Sava, the largest Orthodox church on Balkan, dedicated to our Saint Sava. Now we can come inside and you will see. We must be peaceful, but
Yeah. But I want to know what is meaning of Balkan. So audience is also, because it's a little bit confusing for me. What is Balkan?
you don't know what Balkan is. The part of Europe. You will see.
ऑर्थोडॉक्स चर्च है, और लाइक थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट रहता है कैथोलिक चर्च और ऑर्थोडॉक्स में। मैंने इतना कंट्री ट्रैवल किया है तो मुझे ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है उसके बारे में, तो मैं ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकता हूँ। बट मैं ट्रैवल करते रहता हूँ, मैं नए चर्चेस घूमते रहता हूँ, मॉस्क घूमते रहता हूँ, तो और उनके आर्ट, उनके डिज़ाइन सब देखते रहता हूँ, प्रे करता हूँ जितना हो सके।
Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the
गाइस आप यहाँ पे ना सोवेनियर्स बाई कर सकते हो। आई एम टेलिंग माय ऑडियंस यू कैन बाई सोवेनियर्स हियर फॉर योर फैमिली और फॉर योर मेमोरीज।
Or for girlfriend or boyfriend or
Anyone whom you like.
Yes. Sava was founder of the Orthodox Church, and now you can see the mosaic of Saint Sava. You can see this one. And this is Jesus Christ.
Wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here.
This is the Mother of God. We say it Bogorodica, the Mother of God, and Jesus. Bravo. Nice. This is the Saint
just give-
Jovan.
Wanna stay here with you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I wanna stay here with you.
So guys, we can't go down because it's like close. After like they close 7 p.m.
Yes. But
Okay.
tomorrow you can come and visit underground of this church because it's really amazing.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yes.
Maybe I will come and cover that part.
Yes, and you can stay enjoy outside on the park and
Yeah.
drink something, enjoy. It's beautiful weather, sunny days.
Yeah, but I really like this church, and I am sure about that. When it will be like fully renovated, constructed, and it will be so beautiful.
I hope you will come again.
Of course, I will. If you invite me, I will.
Yeah, I will invite you and I will give you all information when it's finished, what's happening in Belgrade, what is new, what is old.
गाइस सच में यार बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल चर्च है. अभी तक ये पूरा बना नहीं है. जिस दिन ये बन जाएगा ना, अभी तक ना मतलब ना अभी तक भी जो भी वहाँ पे जो मूर्ति रखी हुई है ना, उनके ना मतलब ना अभी तक ना वो प्लास्टिक नहीं उतारेंगे. जिस दिन प्लास्टिक उतारेंगे पूरा बना रहेगा. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होगा. मैं पक्का बोलता हूँ इसको. मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे जो डिज़ाइंस वगैरह है ये चर्च में. और आप भी आइए.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on trying to.
So guys, here you can do like what?
Yes, I buy this and I will pray for my family, for my friends, for my boyfriend, for me, for my health, for my life, and you can do that.
Yeah.
You need one more for your family, take one for you, one for your family and friends.
Okay. And I will pray for all my audience and all over the world that Corona get finished fast and everyone should be healthy and happy.
I hope.
Yeah.
Wanna stay here with you.
And you ugly girl with personality.
No, not
No.
ugly.
So you must find some beautiful